Today's vintage repair was this beautiful Marantz 2225. Had a power supply and amplifier rebuild. Let's go ahead and hear it in action.
Again, again, again.